This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by staying calm and collecting your thoughts before typing a reply. Assess the tone so your response lands as confident rather than mean. Pick concise lines that balance wit with clarity for maximum impact. Use 1 to 2 strong comebacks instead of long paragraphs that confuse the reader or backfire. Avoid personal attacks about appearance, family, or medical issues at all costs to protect your integrity. End with a brief, unexpected line to leave them thinking, not raging. Practice timing by reading replies aloud and trimming any excess words. Identify the insult's weakness before crafting a targeted and clever reply. Use contrasts or unexpected metaphors to make humor hit harder and faster. Keep vocabulary simple and sharp. Avoid complicated words that slow delivery. Include numbers, symbols, or formal references like Form 1099 to add sting and specificity. Time your reply within 2 to 5 minutes for social media, faster in chat for immediate jabs. Avoid repetitive insults. Rotate styles for long-term effectiveness and creativity. Practice writing comebacks weekly to build a mental library of quick responses you can use. Deliver your reply with calm punctuation to signal confidence and control. Use ellipses or em dash for dramatic pause when needed to emphasize a point. If the target reacts angrily, step back and de-escalate if necessary to prevent escalation. Reserve blocking or muting for threats, harassment, or repeated abuse without apology to protect your space. Reflect on outcomes later and adjust tone to avoid reputation damage over time. Celebrate quick wins privately and learn from misses without amplifying conflict publicly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.